show you how to take this outdated desk and turn it into a modern century piece. Stay tuned and follow along and see how you can do it yourself. Here in the process, I like to start with 60 grit sandpaper to take off the finish all the way down to the base. After that, I like to move up to eventually 400 grits, moving up in slow increments. But that's how to get a nice smooth glass feeling. With this project, I decided to go with a product from Bear. It is a paint and primer all-in-one. I went with the black color to really make it stand out and have the hardware pop once that gets installed onto the project here. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Here I found some hardware off of Amazon. It's really a good deal finding hardware in bundle packaging, then going to your local home store like Home Depot or Lowe's. I'd recommend, looking at Amazon if you're ever interested in doing a project and getting hardware for cheap. I hope you're enjoying this journey of taking this old piece and making a nice, slick, modern piece. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe. But here's a few before and after shots.